24-hour intermittent fasting challenge. My journey and reflections. Join me as I dive into the world of intermittent fasting and challenge myself to fast for 24 hours while documenting every feeling and thought along the way. Intermittent fasting has been gaining popularity over the past few years, and for good reason. More and more people are becoming interested in its potential health benefits, and it's easy to see why. With our busy lives and constant availability of food, it's no wonder we're searching for ways to take control of our health and wellness. One of the biggest misconceptions about fasting is that it's equivalent to starvation. But that's simply not true. When you fast, your body isn't starving, it's just not getting any external sources of energy. And believe it or not, your body has a built-in mechanism to handle this situation. In fact, when you eat, your body is focused on digestion, and it takes time to switch gears and start burning stored fat for energy. So, when you fast, your body can actually become more efficient at burning fat. Another myth is that fasting makes you weak and lethargic. But the reality is that many people report increased energy levels when they fast. This is because your body is forced to dig deep and find alternative sources of energy, making it more resilient in the long run. Of course, there may be an initial adjustment period where you might feel a little sluggish, but that's just your body adapting to the new normal. People also think that fasting is only for extreme dieters or those trying to lose a lot of weight. But the truth is, fasting can be beneficial for anyone, regardless of their weight or health goals. It's not just about cutting calories, it's about giving your body a break and allowing it to focus on other important functions, like repair and rejuvenation. And the best part is, you don't have to fast for 24 hours straight to reap the benefits. Even short periods of fasting can make a big difference. Then there's the myth that fasting will make you lose muscle mass. But research has shown that when done correctly, fasting can actually help preserve muscle mass. This is because when you eat, your body is in a state of constant insulin resistance, which can lead to muscle breakdown. By giving your body a break from insulin, you're actually helping to protect your muscles. When you fast, your body goes through a range of physiological changes that can have a profound impact on your overall health. For one, it increases your metabolism, helping your body to burn more fat and calories. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which can help to prevent or even reverse type 2 diabetes. And on a cellular level, fasting has been shown to stimulate autophagy, a process in which your cells recycle and regenerate themselves. Fasting has also been shown to have a significant impact on our brain health. It's been linked to improved cognitive function, reduced inflammation, and even increased production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is responsible for the growth and maintenance of healthy brain cells. And if that's not enough, fasting has even been shown to increase our lifespan by reducing oxidative stress and improving our cellular function. So what are the most significant health benefits of intermittent fasting? Well, for one, it can help to improve your insulin sensitivity, reducing your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It can also help to increase your human growth hormone production, which can improve your overall health and wellness. And, as I mentioned earlier, it can even increase your lifespan by reducing oxidative stress and improving your cellular function. In summary, intermittent fasting is not about starving yourself or restricting your diet. It's about giving your body a break and allowing it to focus on other important functions. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, you can improve your overall health and wellness, increase your energy levels, and even extend your lifespan. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of intermittent fasting. If you've tried intermittent fasting before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like to discuss, please don't hesitate to ask. Don't forget to check out my other videos on nutrition and wellness for more tips and advice on how to take control of your health.